What's good, my friends on YouTube? I don't have many subscribers, but anyone should subscribe. Today I'm showing you my video of my 14-foot John boat. It's got a load right trailer, some seats, a Minico trolling motor, 50-pound thrust. I had to rig it on there because it's permanently mounted, and then there it is. I have it in my garage. I might break it out maybe when I get my life jackets. So it's got a casting deck with a little compartment that you can open and close. And in here is just the front of my boat. I got some Carolina rigs, a piece of carpet, things for my other battery, I don't know where it is. And then now I have my tackle box, $34 tackle box, buy it at Dick's. Now it's got a loading rack trailer, I think I've already said that, yes, and now I'm going to get in the boat and I'm going to show you what's in it. Alright guys, now I am in my John boat. As you can see, it's got my seats and everything in it. Alright, there's my dad. Alright, Bass Pro. Now, first off, I'm going to be catfishing once this spring. That's going to be when I hit the water first. And then I'm going to catfish that day. I'm going to catfish more, but, you know, I got a pole with circle hook, a 1 ounce weight, and just nothing special. Sea fishing rod in case I catch a big one. Up next, we got a bass pole. $20, everything. $20 pole, $20 reel, and $10, my bad, everything's not $20, $10 jig. I bought the jig at Bass Pro, and I bought the rod and reel up here at Dick's. You can buy it for $40. And now we have a Browning bait caster, Stalker Gold. I've used it a couple times. I get pissed off of it because it gets backlash, but I'm getting used to it now. It's got an Atlantis pole. I got that pole from Walmart, and then the tip of it snapped when I was catching my big 10-pound bass. Frick, I caught it on a worm while I was catfishing off the bank. Yeah, and there's the reel and there's the pole. Yeah, I don't know what you call this. I guess it's a swim bait, I guess. Nothing special. I got it in, heck, what is it? Bluegill. Yeah, nothing special. Up next we have my dad's reel. Zebco 33, easy to use for old people. I don't like it, preferably. I don't know how much it costs, maybe $50. And then over here we have bluegill swim bait. And then we have my reel that I use personally. Just let me switch hands here. It is a Built Dance. The reel is $49.99. You can buy it at Bass Pro. And then I got a Bass Pro rod on it. It's casting rod. Well, spinning rod, my bad. And I also have the Baby Bass swim bait by the Bass Pro. Bass Pro made it real good, easy to use. Oh crap! All right. Here is my friend's pole. Well, technically it's my pole, but I let him use it. Browning Stocker Gold that goes on my baitcaster. I don't know why he just changed it over, you know. And Zebco spinning reel, $10. Just cheap pole. Yeah, I'm gonna string it up with my baitcaster. And I don't know how I want to do that, but I'll do it. Well, and I got my anchor, my 5-pound anchor. Nothing heavy. I'm in a 14-foot John boat. Me and my dad, and my friend. Yeah, and then I'm gonna clean this thing out today. My bike, my wall of signs. Notice sexual harassment will not be reported, however, it will be graded. And then airsoft guns, yeah, basketball, 4-wheeler ramps. I'll show you my 4-wheeler here in a second. But skateboards. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop out the boat and then I am gonna show you my 4-wheeler. I was riding it today. That's why my face is all muddy. I'm all muddy. You see? Alright, well, I'm gonna go show you my 4-wheeler, so give me 1 second. Alright, I'm walking outside. I'm walking outside to show you my 4-wheeler. Kind of sunny. I don't know if y'all can see it. Alright, I'm gonna back it up. I'll pull it forward so y'all can see it. Alright, what's up guys? I pulled it forward. Yeah, I'm not fast forwarding this video for any purposes. No muddy. I got my pulling rope, Honda TRX 300EX. My tires, rims. FMF Power Core 4 muffler. Nothing really to show about this. Y'all already heard it, but I'll start it up. Alright. There you go. And then that's all for the video. I will be posting this video probably sometime today. It'll be up probably in maybe 30 minutes. Alright, adios.